डेंग्यूचे केसीस हालीं खूब वाडपाक लागले. लोक सीक पडपाक लागले. ल्हान ल्हान भुरग्यांक जोराची लक्षणां दिसपाक लागले. कन्सर्न जे डिपार्टमेंट आहात, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, म्युनिसिपालिटीज, पंचायती, यांच्यांनी हेचेर सिरियस दखल घेवपाक जाय. यांच्यांनी चॅक करपाक जाय जे कंस्ट्रक्शन सायटी आहा जे कितलींशीं वर्सां बंद आसा, गव्हर्मेंट जावं प्रायवेट कंस्ट्रक्शन सायट जावं, थंय तेंच्यांनी जे टाकये उदीक सांठवता थंयसर तेंच्यांनी चॅक करपाक जाय आनी तांकां ते टाकये पॅक करून दवर म्हणून सांगपाक जाय आनी गरज ना जाल्यार ते पुरून उडोवपाक जाय. सो जे कन्सर्न वॉर्ड मेंबर्स आहात, वॉर्ड कावन्सिलर्स आहात, मागीर पंच मेंबर्स आहात, तेंच्यांनी हेचेर लक्ष दवरपाक जाय. चेअरपर्सनान लक्ष दवरपाक जाय. कितें हो एक सिरियस इश्यू सारको. लास्ट इयर आमी पळयलां की लोक मेले सुद्दां डेंगू जावन. डेंगू जातकूच मागीर प्लेटलेट्स कमी जाता आनी मागीर त्रास जाता लोकांक सारको. सो हे केसीस वाडोवंक जर जायना जाल्यार आमी सगळ्यांनी हातभार लावपाक जाय. लोकांनी सुद्दां हातभार लावपाक जाय. लोकांनी सुद्दां प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स घेवपाक जाय. कितें जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे जे MLAs आहात तेंच्यांनी आपल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन लक्ष दवरपाक जाय. कितें आनी हे कंट्रोल करपाक सरकाराक तेंच्यांनी हेल्प करपाक जाय. आमी हे पळय हो इशू असो न्हू की आमी एकामेकाचेर बोट दवरूंक शकता. हो इशू सगळ्यांचो इशू. ओके, सो सगळ्यांनी हातभार लावन जी बाकीची डिपार्टमेंट आहा तेंच्यांनी सिरियसनेस घेवन फॉगिंग कन्सर्न वॉर्डांनी, पंचायतीच्या वॉर्डांनी सगळे कडेन करपाची गरज आसा. आनी हो इनिशिएटीव पंच मेंबर्स आहा, कावन्सिलर्स आहा, हेंच्यांनी घेवपाक जाय. बाबा आपापल्या वॉर्डान फॉगिंग आपूण करून घेवपाक जाय म्हणून. ओके, सो आमी सगळे एकामेकाक साथ दिवन हे डेंगू आनी मलेरिया जे दुयेंस आहा ते कंट्रोल करपाक प्रयत्न करया.
I feel that all the measures are not taken out by the health department. The health department in such situations has to immediately take measures to control the menace. One South Goa child 5 years old has expired with dengue. The entire state of Goa is busy with the demolition of Asagaon house, despising the dengue outbreak. There is a dengue outbreak even in Panchim. It affects the young and the very old. I know some 80-year-old person who has got dengue fever. Fortunately, it was identified early. There should be outlets for like COVID on war footing at various urban health centers, in the village centers, health centers, in other places also for testing blood. The health department should send out their inspectors to check stagnation of water. In Panjim city also dengue is very prevalent. The fevers are high. Sometimes it is asymptomatic, sometimes symptomatic. When fevers are high, people should take precaution and immediately check the blood test. So for that, government has to gear itself to have blood tests. It is expensive to do blood tests in private laboratories. Very expensive.
Good. Today is a very sad situation if you see, because if you see our fields are flooded. Especially I'll give you an example of Talegaon. Our fields are flooded in Talegaon and all the outlets are all been blocked because of rise in construction, because of widening of roads. They have not made inlet and outlet access for the waters. So due to which continuously stagnation of water happens in the fields. Secondly is, if you see in our vicinity, a lot of construction is happening around in Talegaon, and they have open spaces, they have pits where water is collected, as well as there is contamination happening, and neighboring places around have got lot of mosquitoes. Now we residing in Talegaon, we can't keep our doors open post 6:30 because you have continuous flooding of mosquitoes into the areas. So this is something that has to be looked on and has to be, worked on from panchayat level as well as municipality level, which is not happening. And as much as we do the spraying and all, it's less effective, because it might just have it for like one day. What happens the rest of the days?